So they like monkey, and they do like somebody. I just pray them a sympathy. My body don't go bad. I don't like to be complete. If I complain, I don't go let it. And I don't like to be romance, but so hard. So hard. I feel I'm like what I'm not going to fuck. I'm not the whole one. I'm like I'm not like I'm saying I'm so happy money. I